makita na may tagahang ang iyong puso. Ba't ba pabago-bago? Di ka ba makontento? Alam kong nakakatakot, dito naman ako. Tumingin ka lang dito, di kahit tatago. Ipagsisigawan ng awit na to. Kahit sa malayo, kita ka sa dulo. Kaya pahinga na ang puso mo. Nandito na ako. Alam mo ba nung nabighani, di na nagdalawang isip. Sabi ko sa sarili, kaibigan, kahit di mabalik. Kung kaibigan lang ang pagtingin, huwag sana limutin na. Tumingin ka lang dito, di kahit tatago. Pagsisigawan ng awit nito. Kahit sa malayo, kita ka sa dulo. Kaya pahinga na ang puso mo. Nandito na ako. Oh, 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 oh. Nandito na ako. Oh, oh, oh. At di ka tatalikuran, di na kailangan mag-isa. Pero paano kang malabo? Susugal ba o susuko at nahuhulog? Tumingin ka lang dito, di ka itatago. Pagsisigawan ng awit na to. Kahit sa malayo, kita ka sa dulo. Kaya pahinga na ang puso. Nandito na ako.
Andito na nga!
Nandito na siya! Benj Pangilinan!
Good morning, Benj. Welcome back to Good Morning, Kapatid.
Grabe, Benj, you stay in the middle. Yeah.
Ang kalmado ng kanta niya pero may mga kinikilig dito.
Ang dami kinig. Hindi na pakalma mo.
Pigilan.
Gusto nila. Benj, you wanna greet everybody first?
Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for having me.
Oh, ang gwapo naman ni Benj. Gusto mo mag-hide din sa mami at daddy mo?
Hello,
Are they
Mom,
watching?
Dad. I don't know, maybe. Baka sa YouTube na lang.
At naman Kuya Anthony, hello. At Benj, sino mas matanda sa inyo ni Donnie?
My brother.
So, ikaw ba bunso? Hindi.
Bunsong lalaki.
Bunsong lalaki.
Oh, that's right.
Yung sa height niyang yan.
Bunso for
siya.
10 years.
Sa height niyang
Tapos,
yan, bunso
sino
siya.
mas sumunod?
Solana.
Solana.
Ano ba yung height mo, Benj?
6.
Sabi ko, oh, okay.
Wow.
Pero pag-usapan natin yung kanta mo. It was
Nandito
co-written
na.
by your tita. So tell us more about it.
My Tita Felici, Josh, and Moira de la Torre. Yeah, so it was a collaboration. So, yun lang. I came up with a melody, but songwriting is, I think different people have different perspectives. So, just got from different people and,
Pero
Yun
ang
lang.
balita ko, Benj, ang nag-recommend daw sa mga makakakulab mo is your kuya.
Yeah, my brother.
Talaga?
Oo.
How-
So, we had the song. We wanted it to be a duet. I was like, sino kaya? My brother was home. So I showed him the song. I was like, sino kaya? And then from there, he was like, Angela Ken.
Yeah, Angela.
Once he said that, and we listened to her songs, I was like, yun na.
Galing swak na. Swak na
Yeah.
swak.
Ang ganda. I love that.
So wait, para kanino mo kinakanta to? Is there a particular
nga eh.
person that you imagine? Kasi parang when I listen to you, I'm like, Benj must be imagining somebody. Pero not necessarily, wow. Hindi naman sure na,
Biglang siya yung
baka lang
kumabyo.
meron, ano bang mga type ni Benj? Yeah.
Well, specifically for the song, we wrote the song to shed light on like the classic like OPM songs, like Kahit Maputi, and like the classic melodies and the storytelling, and so.
So do you imagine this being sung also in weddings for
Pwede.
yung mga
Pwede, yeah.
Actually, it's a very real song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pang Instagram reels, diba, na parang pang love story.
At saka sobrang chill lang, di ba? Even the way you sang it. But I wanna know, sino yung mga musical influences mo?
Many. I'd always say Tito Gary
Yes,
Valenciano.
I was gonna say.
Semblance.
Yung pagkaswabe niyo. Also, even the way you look, no?
And you
Parang
act.
halos-
Well, I grew up watching him, so
Even the mannerism.
Kaya matindi ang impluensya.
different people, but
Sino pa? Na outside of the family.
Moira De La Torre is a big one. You know, Ed Sheeran's one.
Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
Okay.
Elvis is one.
Elvis!
Wow.
May Elvis moves ka ba?
No naman.
Do you see yourself singing parang Elvis songs? Do you see yourself singing
I'm
those?
open to like discovering where I can go, you know. But you know, for now, let's see. You know, for now, let's see. You know.
You know, Benjamin, go ahead.
Nakwento kanina ni Benj na collaboration yung work na to, yung this particular song. Pero may ibang artist na mas komportable sila on their own. Pero for you, how is it like collaborating with other artists?
Well, working with someone like Angela Ken was so easy. Dali lang. Kasi, you know, she's an expert in her craft also. So, I didn't really touch anything in her side.
Okay. Bench, I just want to say it's very impressive that you know how to play the guitar and you know how to sing. Pero ano yung nauna? Saan mas natuto nauna? Sa paggigitara o sa pagkakanta?
Well, I'd always loved to sing. But when I first got my guitar freshman year, then I started to practice.
Nice.
Then I started to write.
Ano yung first song na natutunan mo?
Say You Won't Let Go.
Ang bata talaga ni Ben! Kasi parang yung reference ko, grabe.
Hindi, saka ito yun.
Won't let go.
Napaisip ako, natuto siya Say You Won't Let Go.
Eh, freshman siya.
Freshman siya nun. Nung
Torn?
nag-aaral kami nung high school,
Torn
mag-gitara, Torete.
Pero okay,
Ako,
you got us
gugudas,
super excited. The sound we love your family. But you know, it's nice then, Benj, na marinig yung boses mo. Kasi we know of everybody already from the family. But to hear your voice today, I was so surprised and very impressed. So thank you for sharing your gift
bro.
today.
Galing.
Thank you.
Benj, where do we follow you? Anything out on social media right now?
Yes, so you can follow me on social media, Instagram, Benjamin Pangilinan on Instagram, Benjamin Pangilinan also on, Benj Pangilinan on YouTube. And yeah, you can follow me for updates under Sony Music. I have new music, new songs, hopefully, let's see. And yun lang.
Yes.
Alright.
Nakikita ko na yung Elvis
Wow,
vibes.
eh.
So,
Let's stream it.
suave.
Thank you very much again, Benj Pangilinan.
Thank you,
Benj.
Thank you. Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Simula ng inyong araw na may alam at may pakialam sa mga may init at umaaksyong balita sa bansa. Para maging una sa balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.